Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, I have been busy at school doing finals, getting my two degrees at some time my two certifications, and besides the fact that I was doing some official paperwork, well, legal, and because I just recently became a Mexican citizen, so I might have to look into how some financial products might work in Mexico and to maybe to the channel and potentially in the future because I'm pretty sure I'm not be the only one who is like, well, I'm in Mexico. How can I open up banks and credit cards and things like that? Like, can I borrow money and things like that from here? I'm like, might be an option. I believe it's possible. Yes, you need to talk with the bank and specific ones, I believe, because I mean you can get cards shipped somewhere else, but I don't know. Maybe I can send it for family member and get it back to home. I don't know. But well, besides that, in this specific video, I'm gonna be talking about 5 credit cards where you can get some Disney Plus streaming services for free or on discount or things similar to that, where you can maybe get other stuff for free at the same time. In these specific scenarios, they are talking mostly on cashback or saving credits rather than points and miles. But I feel like you're really just into the Disney Plus credit. Well, that might be the only thing that you are into for. And there are some cards that comes into mind, but in this specific scenario, I'm now talking about American Express Platinum card. I know it is a 8.95 credit card annual fee, which is a lot, but if you are organically spending on things that this card comes with credits, might well look into it because it might give you stuff for free. Like you making even your annual fee and then you get more from that. And that's where you get benefits from that. I'm not gonna tell you if you don't have the money every month or things like that to already spend on 8.95 and if you go for it. But you have to kind of see what you're already spending on. I know besides the credits, this one comes with a $25 stream services uh, kind of limited, but one of those is Disney Plus streaming services, and it's 25 per month, so that's like 300 per year, and that might be something that either is totally free because you use the other benefit already, and therefore the Disney is free for you, or you are using this Disney credit to break even or save a little bit more and maybe the other credits that you will normally not be using, then they're free. Or to try at least and see if they something you are into later on to try. Which I think that's why American Express give a lot of money into that. Who knows? The second card from the same bank, I'm talking about the Blue Crash Prefer. This one comes with a 95 annual fee, it's true, and it comes with a $10 plus credit. Therefore, it's 120 minus 95. We're talking about a $25 on benefits. Might not be the greatest, especially if we compare it with the other card, but it comes with a 6% on groceries and streaming services. Which the groceries I believe is up to 6,000 per year, and the streaming services kind of broad what it means. And there are ways that you can benefit from both of those credits. Well, not credits, but 6% categories that you can maybe squish that and make a lot of money. But I'm not gonna say right now how. Just check your stores in. I'm talking about Google stores and see what cars you can buy over there. And there's another one, the third core, which is the Blue Crash Everyday, the little brother. That this one is free, but it comes with a $7 per month Disney Plus credits. Therefore, you get an 84 tourist free credits you're spending on this, right? So 84 versus not 25. Of course, you can kind of see which one is yours just for the Disney credit, which one you can get for free or in more benefits. But when it comes into multipliers, they're not the greatest. I mean, they're 3% on some categories, but you can maybe make more if you are just in cashback or things like that. So it's not a bad card when it comes into free and you're using for that for a specific benefit. The fourth card I'm gonna be talking about it comes from Chase, and it's one of the newest ones which I don't really like. Unfortunately, at this moment, my family is not really into Disney system, so we're not really gonna be benefiting. That's what we don't getting it. But it's the Disney Inspire. This card seems great. If you already spending money online in official Disney products, in the parks, in the cruises, because if you spend a certain amount of money, you gain certain amount of credits for specific Disney related stuff. Like I say, it's only exclusive to Disney stuff. So that's the only caveat to this card. One of the benefits as well, it is $10 per month Disney Plus benefits credits. So that's 120 and you're paying 149. So you pay more from what you get regarding in Disney, but if you are organically spending already in other Disney stuff related, well, this might be good because when it comes into the benefits of spending things like that, it is really great. You have to kind of make the math to see if you really benefit or not. Lastly, the other card that comes into my mind is the US Bank Kroger cards. This one is totally free. I know it comes with some 6 months, I believe, of boost membership, which that means you get 6 months of Disney Plus with ads. I'm not sure exactly how it works with the system, like if you get a renew every year or something else, but I know you can get some more discounts and promotions and those kind of stuff because of the boost, and that's great because today I know gas is too expensive, and I know Kroger in general gas you can buy it for cheaper, you can get points and then get your gas cheaper again, and things like that. So I know Kroger in general is good. But it comes also with other benefits. For example, it comes with 5% back when you use your Kroger app, I believe, up to 3,000 per year. And the other one is 5% back up to 3,000 per year in tap to pay. So whatever thing that you can use your phone for and tap it, that works. Like I say, it's up to 3,000 per year. So a lot of people ended up getting one, two, or three cars. So 3, 6, and 9,000 because that might be just good enough to cover the categories that normally you won't be able to find. I'm talking about maybe doctors, vet bills, insurances, taxes. I don't know. I mean, I know you can tap to pay and all those stuff, but I'm just saying those are categories that normally you don't get things more than maybe 2% back or none. And with that said, those are the cars that comes into my mind. I know they are not that fancy, and know most of these cars are cashback, except maybe the Inspire and the Platinum car. But I think I believe Platinum is mostly a benefit car rather than a spending car. Yes, it's true that you get a 5 points for airfare tickets, but I don't know. I just know that American Express in general is a great company that you can spend. You protection that comes with it is great. It's easy to work with you and things like that. Because, for example, I've claimed a phone protection insurance claim, and trust me, it went smooth. It went good. They family check and everything that asked questions is smooth. I have worked with chess as well, not to the point to see how the claim works, but I know when it comes into customer service, personally, I feel I like it. US Bank, a lot of people complain about it, but personally, every time I work with US Bank through the phone because I have no branches near me. I live in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the woods, and I don't have no US bank branch near me, but they have been good with me. They have been working with me. They have stayed on the phone explaining to me, and I had nothing to complain. And I was gonna say, remember, if these credits do not fit all the way to your spend normally organically, do not try to squish it in, make yourself believe that you're gonna spend it, because that's not how credit cards should work. Credit cards should work for you. They should not be making you change your habits. Maybe twist a little bit from here and there, and maybe from getting my coffee from here, maybe I can get it from there and things like that. But not to change drastically your spending. Um, I'm saying that because I'm a person who likes to do couponing, and I have seen a lot of people who buy a lot of paper tissue or a lot of paper rolls, and they have a bunch. And it's like, do you really need that many? I know later on you're gonna get benefit of the, like you're gonna be saving on the future, but right now you only have $100 to spend, and you ended up spending like 200, 300. What happened right there? You have to spend the rest of the month with what money? You're gonna be paying that much money that you own with what money? Your budget is already used. What benefit you getting later on? You're going into debt, or you're always spending that you're not supposed to organically wise. Oh, well, with that said, I believe everybody should have their own opinion on which benefits once they start digging into more. But with this, I hope you guys have a great day. And I hope, guys, I can continue making more videos to see you later. And that, bye bye.